Good morning, dear students. I will tell you exercise from chapter 7. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, presence of a feathery coat is an adaptation found in animal being in cold climate. Presence of a feathery coat is an adaptation found in animals living in cold climate. Snails are adapted to live in a hot, dry climate. Hot, dry climate. The two regions of the earth with extreme climatic conditions are polar region and tropical region. Polar region and tropical region. Sweating and panting are adaptations found in animals living in hot and dry climates. The adaptation which provides protection from predator is camouflage. The adaptation which provides protection from predator is camouflage. Write true or false in front of the statements given below. Weather changes frequently. True. Siberia is a polar region. True. Climate in tropical region is hotter than in other regions. Climate in tropical region is hotter than in other region. That is the true. And now come to the answer the following question. First one is the give two examples each of animals found in. First one, cold climate. In cold climate, polar bear and penguin. We have to write two examples. So in cold climate, polar bear and penguin, and in hot and dry climate, camel and ostrich. Hot and dry climate, camel and ostrich. Second question is the what adaptations are found in the following animals. First one is the penguin. First one is the penguin. Now come to the second, what adaptations are found in the following animals. First one is the penguin. Now come to the penguin. Like the polar bear, penguin is also white. The animal therefore merges well with the white background of snow here and till here. This is the adaptations found in the penguin. You have to write. And then next question is the snail. What are the adaptations are found in the snail? Page number. Snails secrete mucus around their shells when the climate is hot and dry. This ensures that moisture is not lost to the surrounding. This one. Then polar bear. Third one is the polar bear and adaptations in polar bear. You have to start writing from here till here. Here till here you have to write adaptations in polar bear. Then last one is the elephant. Here you have to write here to here. It has a big trunk which is used for picking up food as a nose here till here. And third question is the what information do you get from a weather report? What information do you get from a weather report? The weather report, answer 3. The weather report from a newspaper provides you the following information. This one also you have to write. This diagram you have to draw and you have to start writing from here till here. First you have to draw this one, then you have to write till here. Answer number 3. Then now come to the answer number 4. Mention 4 factors on which the climate of a place depends. Mention 4 factors on which the climate of a place depends. This answer 4. Answer number 4. The climate of a region depends on The presence or absence of water, rainfall, amount of sunshine it gets, the ability to transfer water to the atmosphere, evaporation, the place whether it is hilly or a plain region. Here.